folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated? Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Sorry, we're a little late today. We had technical difficulties. Hopefully you guys are catching on and jumping on. Excuse me. I'm just, give me a second. I'm just trying to get everything set up here. Literally, my internet was out and it just came back. So this was yesterday's trade for gold. But you know what? Hold on. I need to. Hopefully you guys can see that. We'll let everybody jump in. Yeah, I am here. I made it. Let's look at this on the daily real quick. I want to show you guys what it looks like. So we had the push down here. So we had the push down here on gold, right? Came up to the zone, pushed down. Looks like this current candle, this daily candle is already pushed up. But really, you know, there's this little level of support here where it's kind of holding. But I don't think, I mean, I think the momentum is to the downside. And this could just be a massive wick, like wick to the upside. Now that it's pushed up, maybe we start moving to the downside. Something to look at. Something to look at for the daily. We could come up, if we come up, looks like it already broke the previous daily low. So the high could be coming up to meet the high or break the high. Oh. What? It's weird. Anyways, this is kind of where we see gold at right now. So the current daily candle is bullish. It's been pushing up. It's bullish engulfing, but we still have about 14 hours, 15 hours left for this candle. So if we're actually going to hold support here, then we'll start coming back and treat this as a pullback, right? Could be a double bottom, continue up to the top, and then come and test this level of resistance. Looking at it on the 4-hour. I mean, I think the overall trend is to the downside, right? And this was just a retest of this like huge break over here on a daily time frame. And from here it's pushed down and we're just getting the pullback here. So we might have some really nice sell entries. Yesterday, yesterday we took sales on this. It was pretty nice. But we ended up closing out. We traded it on the 5-minute. I think it was. What's going on here? This freaking thing is like. Yeah, so here yesterday, we got in on this pullback here, came in, hit TP2, and then when I saw this massive candle right here on the 5-minute, I got out right here, and then it ended up coming back up, but it still ended up melting. It ended up coming down to TP5, but it would have hit, the stops. So just pulling up here, taking the liquidity from above here before it fell down. But this move right here, we're talking about, this move was a whole day, right? We're talking about intraday move for this move. And that's not what we're trying to focus on during these sessions, right? During these sessions, we're trying to get something in and out. Quick scalp. Then what did I just do? Okay. All right, so let's set up our analysis for gold. Now that we looked at the higher time frame, looking to see, okay, potentially moving up to the upside, to the downside, it'll kind of give us an idea of what looks good. I'm just getting rid of some of this stuff so we can have a clean chart. Clean chart. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Sorry I'm a little late. Had internet issues. But we are here. So you see this been trickling down, pulling up. It'd be interesting to see if it's going to continue pushing up here, or is she going to start to pull down? Because really above here, we got some nice price action here on this candle. There's no wick to the downside, but could be a nice breakout. Even this right here, it's really a nice consolidation zone that it's making. Even if it continues to pull up, we have a target right here. Sorry if I'm like coughing in the mic and stuff. I'll move it away a bit. Still dealing with this cough, man. It's been like 2 weeks now. Jesus Christ. There goes my sneezing. Oh. Okay. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, my allergies. Hopefully that's it. Okay, where were we? Looks like gold may want to break out here. We got about 5 minutes left on this. She's kind of pushing up heavy right now. Thank you. Let's look at this on the 5 minute, because I don't like it on the 15 minute because it doesn't have a wick to the downside. Okay, but if it's gonna want to move up to close this gap right here, then maybe on the 5 minute we have like a pullback, right? So really, I don't want to be in here. I want it to push up further and then have a pullback to this area, like a break and a retest, if it's going to go up. Ideally, if it goes down, it'd be a lot better, because just the overall trend, it'd be a nice entry for a potential runner to keep running. Just to update from yesterday's trade on the challenge, we're up like 0.5%. Yeah, 0.574. So let's keep this little win streak going and see what we can do today. So this is kind of what I'm looking at right now for gold. It's pulling back into the range. So maybe it'll give us buy some time so we can wait, you know, so we don't have to jump into something. Let's put some Amazon, some of the jams provided by TRADINGNUT. I like music in the background. It keeps me focused. Like just noise, really. Sometimes I even just put like the TV on or something. I'll put on like The Office or something. I don't know if you guys watch The Office. Hella late. Yeah, I'm getting like messages about being late. I get it, guys. I get it. As far as GJ goes, I'm still kind of hesitant on GJ. Yeah, because it all it did was push up. So look at this. This is the daily. Right here, we were looking for a break of a trend line for it to come down. Held support there, pushed up just a tad bit, and then came down, tested again. But it held support again, pushed up massively. This bullish engulfing all these candles here, right? And we get this inside candle here, no wick to the top. This isn't breaking the low. It's already pushing up. I kind of expect this to push up to come test this level of resistance, if not go higher, because it doesn't seem like it's ready to come down yet. The only thing is that this has been moving massively up, and I don't want to get stuck into a side where it's like this lopsided, you know? So let's look at the news real quick. Got to look at this. So we have Euro news coming in at 3 a.m. in about an hour and a half. And then we have USD news today too for New York session. CPI news for AUD. So this candle's about to close. This 15-minute candle's about to close inside the range. So for us there, you know, it's not really a big issue. Like, because it'll give us time for the market structure really to play out, right? Because this one didn't have a wick to the downside, and this could just be pulling the liquidity from up here before it continues to the downside, to be honest, because that's really the direction that we're seeing, right? We have 3 touches here in the break, right? So this is the convince people to buy and then fucking dump down from this line right here. Does that make sense? We're monitoring. Yeah, so for GJ, I really am not a fan of it right now. I just don't like the way it's been moving, to be honest. What's up with this freaking... It's moving slow. Well, it's better now. So this is GJ on the 15-minute. Yeah, the last couple times, actually, this trade, we were able to take some profits on it. But it was just partials and break even, Wasn't anything like, it wasn't like a big move. That was a move we were expecting. Boom. And then this was that huge bullish engulfing candle. Jesus, what's wrong with the fucking chart? Doesn't want to move. So where we stand right here, this could have been a breakout. Jesus. Come on, internet. Tripping. I'll make sure I'm connected to the right one. Wait, why is... Oh, okay. That's probably why. I'm connected to the right one. There's no audio on this? What you mean? Should be audio. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. I'm on here. Yeah, this was right at 1 o'clock. This thing broke, but there was no wick to the bottom there. Yeah. Yes, audio's okay. I can hear you. Okay, cool. I wonder if this... Oh, okay, cool. I mean, it's already reaching that first target right here. My next... Jesus Christ. My next breakout would be right here. And then to the downside, I don't think that's enough. pips. Probably not till. About 18 pips there. What was the measurement on this? $34 pips. Where's CJ? I don't know. I think maybe he was doing a stream as well. I told him, hey, jump on real quick. Yeah, because I didn't know if I was going to be able to. I got on like an hour before. I was going to do like a Zoom with my VIP before, like just to look at some charts and stuff. And the internet like crapped out, and I was like, what the hell? And I let everybody know, or let my Telegram know. And I was waiting to the last minute to see if it fixed itself so I could because there was like maintenance going on with my service provider or something, and so I was waiting to the last minute, and then whenever the time came, like it was still not working. Like it wasn't until like 10 minutes after that it started working. Yo, when you said that I was in a field with my dog, you were out there enjoying life. I told you to go stream. All right, so essentially what we're waiting on here is if we get a breakout here on JJ, we'll entertain the idea of taking a long up this way. And then for yeah, look at that rejection. And if we get, hold on a second, let me see this. Damn, I kind of want to sell this already. What, 2.5 minutes. I don't know. We'll see here. I just don't think it's done going down, you know? Although the current daily candle is bullish, I just think that's the top wick, you know? See, look at that. Damn, I kind of want to take a short on this if it's bearish engulfing in a minute. Let's see. Probably about pip stop. Interesting. 20 seconds. I want to see it engulfing these candles here. Bearish engulfing. We got about 15 seconds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a sell here, guys, on gold. 20 pip stop. It's gonna be 2.5 lots. 2.5 lots, guys. 2.5 lots. Taking a sell. I'm in a sell on gold. I'm in a sell on gold. I'm in a sell on gold. This was 1962.44. So we're just slightly off. All right, I'm in this sell, guys. Wait, what the fuck is this price right here? 46. 1964. One. Hopefully she doesn't just fly up and back up. See how it goes. See how it goes. 58, 44. This is going to be juicy. 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 We are in sales, guys. Took a sell, 2.5 lots. Oh, come on, baby. Don't do that. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, Barbie. Let's go party. That song is stuck in my head. What is this? 19 what? 1916. Oh, shit. Who all went to go watch the movie Barbie? Come on now, don't be shy. I know some of y'all want to go watch it. Who's man enough to admit it? Coming into profits. That's what I like to see. It's what I like to see, baby. It's what I like to see, baby. Yup. 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 Just want to see a complete meltdown. Just a complete meltdown. Go all the way down to TP5. That would be amazing. I've seen Sounds of Freedom. Sounds of Freedom. I don't know what that is. Oh, I haven't seen the. I'm assuming it's a movie. Actually, I'm gonna take this trade on my two. It just looks fucking juicy. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I watched Barbie last. Hold on a second. I'm trying to read these comments. Let's see. Will I scale in on retracement? I mean, no. I mean, I just went in with the full position right there at that bearish engulfing candle. So We are in. We are in. Am I using MT5 on PC to trade right now? The challenge account, yes, I'm using MT5. My personal, which I also entered the trade in on my personal account, is MT4. I was just setting the stops. Like I just have the little one click trade options. I just put in the lot, click buy or sell, and then I just drag the stops and take profits. So everything is good to go. Guys, for this trade, when it hits TP1, I'm probably gonna take, like, if I take partials, I'll probably just take like 20% and move my stops to break even, or I might just move my stops to break even and not take the profit just yet. The reason for that is because we're up already for the week. We took a trade last night or yesterday for Monday, and so we're up on the challenge account. So I kind of want to, I like the position here, and I like the entry for a long-term sell. So I think that we can really capitalize on gaining, if this comes down to TP5, this would be 0.5%, 1%, 1.5%, 2%, 2.5%, right? So if we can go up on the account, 2-3%, like, that'd be nice. How do you trail stops once in profit? Well, traditionally speaking, like me, I'll just take partials at TP1, move stops to break even, and let the runner make the extra cash. Whatever extra it makes. But if you're asking from a technical standpoint of how, just in general, how people trail their stops once in profit, a lot of people will have like a set pip amount. You can, on MetaTrader on the desktop, you can right click on your position and then turn on trailing stops and put, every 20 pips, so it moves down. So as price is moving in your direction, your stops is moving along with you. If you're doing it manually, you can set target levels and take partials at those target levels, and then once it hits the next target level, move it to the next, move it into profits. It really, it's kind of up to you, but like I said, specifically for me, what I do is at TP1 is I take partials and then I adjust my stops to break even, right? Now, how much partials do I take? Really depends on the week. If it's the beginning of the week and I haven't taken a trade yet, maybe I close half, maybe I close 80%. If it's the end of the week and I've already made my money for the week, maybe I just move stops to break even. Like I said, right now, we won yesterday. We're up 0.5%. I feel pretty confident about this entry here. So maybe I just move my stops to break even. Maybe I just take 20% off the table. I'm going to read how price action is moving and see, if I feel comfortable with the probability of it continuing on to TP2, 3, and 4, and 5, like, maybe I'll just move my stops to break even and won't, take the partials. And that's crazy. The sounds of freedom sounds intense. I'm more of a comedy guy. I like comedy movies. I like to laugh. 100%.
Morning, chickadees. Chickadees. Good morning. Where are you?
It's funny. So we had this little doji here, and now we're getting this like bullish engulfing candle. I think as long as it doesn't break out of this range, we'll be all right. What? I can't put that music on here. Like we're on Trading Nuts channel, so we have to follow the rules, you know. But yeah, I hear you. I wish we could. Yesterday we were jamming. This morning I woke up, or like not this morning, but later this afternoon, I woke up after the session, and I had 148 emails from YouTube about fucking copyright. Just ridiculous. Yeah. I'm like, dude, leave me alone. Bankz, who's your favorite comedian? Oh man, like stand-up comedian, or like just like comedian in general, like comedic actor, I guess. I don't know. I like all kinds, man, to be honest. Like I like Will Ferrell. I like his movies. I like Kevin Hart. I like Ron White stand-up comedy. I like I like Danny McBride. I like Seth Rogen. Like, you know, I think he's pretty hilarious. But yeah, I mean, I'm really just a fan in general of like comedy. Probably Will Ferrell is my like top. Him and probably Kevin Hart. I like his comedy as well. Music was fire yesterday. I know, dude. Like, I wish I could play. I'm about to put my headphones on. Sorry, guys, but maybe I can. No, I can't do that up there. I wish I could share it with you guys, but I mean, I can change this up here. You want some dance pop? That's what this is called. It wasn't a playlist. It was like satellite radio, like music from there. Like it was like live DJs mixing and stuff, you know. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna grab my Red Bull. 1 second. Cheers. Oh wait, hold on a second. This song is called Dance Pop. I don't know what that is, but it's on the Trading Nuts studio thing. All right, we're still good here. Still good. Love to see that rejection. We got London Open. Hopefully we start seeing more volume come into the market. Ooh, she's pushing up. Wonder what oh, look at GJ. Look, that 5 minute was probably come on, baby, melt. This one is called Daydreaming. This was Into Space. Lo-fi. I like lo-fi. It's like chill. Night driving. It's not bad. Do you watch UFC? Not really, man. I never really got into it. I was more into boxing. Fun fact: I used to box when I was younger. Actually, boxed in like Texas, and when I was like in middle school, and in like part of like the boxing gym, I was participated in boxing the Dallas Golden Glove. Type 2 at Twitter. That's funny. Uh, yo, I'm back. I'm back. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Am I back? Can you guys see this? Ew. Sorry. This freaking thing, man, I'm telling you. Sorry, guys. Yeah, look, this thing popped down and then pushed up. We're still in it, though. We're still in it. We're in it to win it. In it to win it, baby. They're probably still working on the internet, man, and I took partials was close to. No, they're doing maintenance right now on the internet, like, and I mean, I thought they were done earlier, so it connected me back on the internet, and I got on, so I'm assuming that's still happening. So it may log us off. I mean, I'm still in this trade, guys. I haven't adjusted stops to break even or nothing. It hasn't hit TP1. It definitely was close. So if you already took partials and broke even, then that was about 3 pips away. So I'm still in it, though. Man, look, this would have been nice. He's coming back down. Forgot what we were talking about before this internet rudely interrupted us. Who's still in this with me? I'm trading not gonna be putting the pieces together on how he's so much up on the chart. That's funny. Oh, she's gonna melt. Watch her. Hopefully we don't have any more internet interruptions. I finally fixed my streaming issues. Yesterday I was streaming. I added Monday and Friday this week. But since I'm only doing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on the Trading Nuts channel, you guys can follow me on my channel for Monday and Fridays, London stream. And yesterday I was having the same issue, like with the stream cutting in and out. Not the internet issues, but the stream just lagging, like just dropping out. No, last night was a challenge again. Last night I did both, the challenge and my personal. I'm doing both right now too. My personal and my challenge account. Looking lovely. Yeah, I'm in Texas too, bro. London sessions, like you just, it's just, if it's your schedule, you know, like for me, like my days start like at night basically. It's like working the graveyard shift, you know, because I really, after the London session I have like 4 hours and then I do New York. And I do New York for a couple of hours, and then sometimes, like after, that's like when I go to sleep. Take a nap before my day starts. Yeah, basically. But I got some good sleep today, so I was like ready, man. I was like excited. Like I was trying to jump on an hour before, to jump on with my VIP and just go over charts before we did the live stream, and the internet like just wasn't working. But yeah, like I got up like around, I think I went to the gym like at 9 p.m. It was like 8 p.m. I went to the gym and I got back. I was like, man, today's gonna be a good day, good session. I was rested up, ready to go, and then it was like giving me all these issues. TP1 incoming, baby. I'll join you on your New York session after you pass this challenge. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm not adding any new members to the VIP, but once I get switched over to the new platform, I'll open it back up. Here comes TP1, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Lovely. Lovely. Love to see it. TP1 hit, baby. Y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. I'm just gonna move my stops to break even. This trade looks really juicy. I think it's gonna continue to melt and pay out beautifully. Risk-free trade, guys. Risk-free trade. Nobody should be losing on this one. What is that? 3-0 for the week? 3-0 for the week, baby. I'll take it. Ooh, shit. Look at her. Look at her go. Look at her go. She's got momentum now. She's got momentum now. Look at that. That breakout. Come on, TP2. Come on, TP2. Yeah, she's looking good. How close do you break even at? Usually like 1 or 2 pips, man. Just enough to cover the spread and the commission, like, so I don't actually lose any money. I think I have it right now. Yeah, like 2 pips. My stop loss is at, it's like at 2 pips. Oh wait, I forgot. Damn, man, I almost forgot the horns. Damn, why don't y'all remind me? There's your horns, baby. What's up for the people in the back? I totally forgot. Oh man, don't do it. Don't do it. So this thing blink. Hopefully internet doesn't crap out. What style of trading do you use? So for London session, I focus on a breakout strategy, or if the breakout strategy, depending on what price action is telling me, sometimes I move down to the 5-minute and I can look at a break and a retest or momentum shift type of trade. This one here was really on a higher time frame. We're looking for moves to the downside. So whenever I saw this consolidation zone here, seeing the test 1, test 2, and then the push up to lock in the buyers, clearing the liquidity over here, and watching this candle here break this level of support and create a bearish engulfing candle, I jumped in. So I didn't even wait for a breakout or none of that. I mean, secondary, we could be looking at a breakout right here. Tertiary, we could be looking at a retest of that breakout. So there's multiple entries, right? At the end of the day, it's to the same direction. Regardless, today was a win. You know, hit TP1 and went further than that, and I think, I mean, it's going to continue to push down. We may be seeing the beginning of the 15-minute breakout. See, nice little wick there. If we can get pushed down further, breaking this, and it's gonna be lovely, like the continuation, just to fill this area here. You know, like I said, we got a really nice entry, and this was very similar to the play yesterday. Very similar here, but this one just came and met this move up, came and met that right there, and then pushed back up before it actually made the big move. Who won with me today? How many of you guys made some money? Everybody should be in profits. Nice, locked in 0.5% for this trade. Congratulations. Intake TP1 adjusted stop loss though, but I'll probably close when it gets to TP again. I'll make a little if it does stop out nice. Yeah, I think if we're just patient, this thing looks really nice. The market structure is looking nice. Really, like, we want to see that. We already saw price test, right? So we start seeing body volume actually start pricing down here. Oh man, break this wick right here, melt. Here she comes again. Here she comes again. Love to see it. Yo, if you guys are interested in jumping in New York session, I'm going to pick 2 of the best comments on the last post that I made on my Instagram to join us for New York session. I'm going to pick them in the morning, like 30 minutes before. Instagram is right here. All you got to go do is like the post and comment. I'm going to be picking 2 of the best comments to join us for New York session with VIP. CJ, yeah, I think CJ's in here. Pretty sure. I don't know if he did his live. He was doing live too. Nah, the VIP session I don't do lot sizes because everyone. I mean, I'm doing my personal account, so the lot size depends on your account. I don't know what it is. Oh, I got my VIP. Nice. Nice. Come buy a house in Noosa on the Sunshine Coast. Lemon says, where's Noosa at? Sunshine Coast? Is that in Australia? CJ's doing his own live. Besides Sinu, you know what I can use for position sizes, and then if you do a lot of US30 in the next session, I don't think so. Yeah, Sinu doesn't have for indices, and it depends too on the broker and how they calculate US30, because some will calculate in the like thousands, and some will calculate it in the hundreds, depending on which decimal point they're calculating. But yeah, honestly, like I usually just if I'm looking at a different broker, like I go in there and I just do a 0.01 and open and close it, and just to see, so I can calculate myself, and then I can figure out, you know, what lot sizes I'm using. But like on mine, I don't really have to do that anymore, because I use just fixed lot sizes now. I'm not like trying to scale my account, you know, so I just kind of just trade the same lot sizes. Man, this thing's about to come back and break even on me. Really? Don't do that. Nice, been living your place here on TradingNut. First time I found you, now I follow you. Keep cranking them out, man. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, I the first time I was on TradingNut was like over a year ago. He came across one of my lives, and we were on like a I think it was like 19-0 winning streak. It was crazy. But I did an interview, and then I did a live trading session with him, or like he let me do a London session on his channel, and then I hadn't, you know, done anything else in a while, and I saw he was doing the Blue Guardian thing, and I talked to him about it, and he was like, yeah, set one up, and you know, you can do it on the channel. And I was like, all right, cool, yeah, let's do it. So he's a cool dude, man. He has, I mean, like he has a ton of people that he's like met in the industry, you know, like I think that's pretty cool. Not really, I kind of keep to myself. I don't really, I don't know, I'd like to meet more people, that like more traders and stuff, and but I just haven't really, I don't know, because I didn't really look at the social aspect of it up until like recently. For the most part, I've just really just been like I'm just trading, and I just kind of share that with people, like people that follow along with me and want to take the trades that I trade and stuff. And really, like at the beginning, I started doing it because like trading London session by yourself is boring, like at night, you know. And so then for a while, like I mean, I was streaming for maybe a couple of years, and I had like a small little group of people, and I still have those people around. They're in here, in like the Zooms and the live streams. But those are like my OG people. It used to be like 5-10 of us just trading London session, and then I was doing a lot of live streaming on my channel, YouTube channel, and it was like, man, I don't know. At one point, I think it was like 400 or 500 people on the live, and but then I had like all these like issues with the live thing. I literally just fixed it yesterday. I figured out what it was. It was this whole time I was thinking it's like my internet and the cabling. Like I moved into a new place and I had to rewire like the internet cabling throughout it's a new construction place, and they were like, oh, it's probably because it's damaged and all this and that, and just the worst like experience. But turns out it was it was a plugin on my OBS that whenever I updated OBS, the plugin became like out of date or something like that, and so there was interference, and so it would like drop out my bit rate on my upload. So I kept having issues because of that, but I fixed it, so we should be all good. My Instagram ID is right there. It's on the screen. It's Lord Bankz FX. It's like my name, Bankz with the Z. CJ Live has some nice tunes on his live, bro. Know some people on YouTube you don't know. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I saw those videos. Like your style of trading will be interesting in the VIP when you open it back up. I'll keep you company. Nice. New York session is fire with VIP. Yeah, I think we have a good time. I mean, I like to just jam out, take it easy, and and I mean, it's a lot more like relaxed in there. Like I know the people that are in the VIP, and I see the same people show up. Like I have like I don't know, like a few hundred people in VIP, but like not everybody jumps on the live sessions. Like you'll see the same 30, 40, 50 people, and it's like they're the ones improving and asking questions, and you just like see the growth and stuff. Like the names, like they pop up, like you recognize them, you know. So you start seeing the same people come in, and you start seeing where price was yesterday and what it's doing today, and you know, you start feeling more confident in your trading. That's really like what I like to see. Like that makes me like, it's fulfilling for me, you know, because you start to understand the dance you're doing with the charts, you know what I'm saying? Like every day coming in and seeing where it's at and where it's moving, how it's moving, and what could affect it. I think it's key, you know, like to really mastering your skill, and maybe not mastering, but like improving it. You know, I always think like, I had somebody was telling me, it was like, oh man, you're a master at trading or a master of the charts, and I'm like, man, I'm a master of none, man. I'm just like a student of the game. I'm constantly working on trying to improve, you know, because I don't think I mean, I think anyone at any point can always do better, right? Student of the game, baby. This thing needs to just fucking drop out. Like, what is a 15-minute? Like, oof, look at that doji right there. I don't know. Kind of sus. But usually, sometimes we have something like that to convince people to reverse, and then the following candle is a continuation. Could you not? Could you not? Could you not? Kid you not. Let me see if I can find an example. Like this right here. It's like moving down. You get this doji, people thinking it's gonna reverse, and flat. You know, this right here, look. Pushing down, you got a doji here and continuation. This one too. Pushing down, doji, and continuation. So it's not always as easy as saying, oh, you know, it's a doji, it's going to reverse. The market ain't got to do nothing, man. I'll tell you that right now. The market does what it wants to do when it wants to do it. And if you got a problem with that, then you're probably on the losing side. It happens. I've been there. Man, I was supposed to get a package today, and it didn't get here. Whack. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Who's still holding on to this? Who's still in it with me? Bunch of gamblers. Now we're at break even. This is a risk-free trade. Shit, we can take a second trade if we want. Nah, we don't have enough time. Well, it's about to be 3, maybe. Look at this. Push up, pull back. This is probably a nice buy right here. GJ. See this? See where this candle closes. What is the 500 look like? Oof, I would have got in right here. Stops right there. Ride her up. Ride that puppy up. Come take that target out. See, the trippy music is back. Yeah, this is our music selection we got, man. We need to tell TRADINGNUT to add some new tunes. Y'all do me a favor, man. Like the stream and hit the follow button for TRADINGNUT if you guys have not followed his channel yet. Follow that up. Oh, you know what? I think maybe. He said still in holding till TP10. I got time. I mean, at some point, you know, like, it'll get to where you want it to get to. Just how long you're willing to wait and how much drawdown are you comfortable with, right? Some rock. That's what this is called. This is rock. Not really. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. She's here on this support because of this range, right? But we already broke out up here to the top. This is what they use in shows when they go on a road trip. It's really the typical, stereotypical rock song on a road trip. Have you guys seen any of the other streams for TradingNut, the other people taking the challenge? I wonder what everybody's at. I haven't seen their. I mean, I know other people are doing it, but I haven't watched. Oh, excuse me. I haven't watched to see where everybody's at. I wonder how they're doing. I think TradingNut was doing one himself too. I'm just curious if anyone's passed yet. We're at we're almost up 1%. We've been at it 35 days. It's 35 days, but if you think about it, it's only really 3 days out of the week, and so like, you know, you don't get that much time. Three days out of the week. So in a month, you really get 3, 6, 9, 12, right? 12 days. Saw the recap. You are doing the best so far, but they are all working their way back to break even. Nice. Jensen is awesome to watch. Interesting strategy. Yeah, I don't know what their stats are. Not as good as you. I personally have not seen anyone, to be honest. Watch the recap. You are the highest for the week. Some at break even and one down for 4%. Damn, they're down 4%. Yeah, I'm not really like. I'm not trading it as a competition. I'm curious how they're doing. Because it's really like a matter of patience, you know. Like, most people are in such a hurry to when they take a challenge to pass the challenge, you know. And really, trading isn't really like that. Like, you know, if you're in a hurry to hit a goal or like make so much money, you're probably going to lose. Like, I'm not trying to discourage anyone, but it's just the way it is. TradingNut is down 2%. Damn, he's down 2%. Damn, TradingNut, you should take my calls. You should jump on the London session and just trade with me, brother. Why are you doing Monday to Friday this week? Because I've been looking at Mondays and Fridays for the past like month, just like after the fact, like looking the way price is moving. And I mean, I've seen a lot of opportunities, and I was like, let me just jump on. And even if I don't take a trade, I'm just going to like watch the markets. And I didn't expect to take a trade, but if the setup is there, man, I mean, you know, like, why is it on me? You know, that, like, I'm not going to take it. You know, it's just, it was too good to not take. So I'm not forcing anything. I'm just being patient. I go into Mondays and Fridays just looking at it like as not a trading day, but more like a learning day, and watching the price in the market like live. So I figured if I'm going to be looking at it live, like, might as well just do a live session on it. The way you said damn reminded me of that Kevin Hart clip when that guy told him his age. It's like, damn. Yeah, he said Don Cheadle. Yeah, I saw that video. That was hilarious. Don Cheadle was not happy. He was like, man, what's wrong with you, Kevin? 7 times 5 minute candles can't break above the 50 MA. I don't know what that is. I don't use indicators. I already, when you threw MA in there, I was like, nah. Dude streaming on TradingNut earlier in the Asian session took a W, but his trade wasn't a runner. He caught a mean reversal, thinking it was a complete turning point. Ooh. Yeah, that's another thing, man. Like people trying to, a lot of people lose because they keep trying to identify like where the market turns around. And usually, like the market has so much more liquidity and like capital to where the volume of the trade that you're waiting for it to turn around, like it will drain your account. You know, why do you think people talk about stop loss is so important? Because they've probably at some point held on to a trade thinking like it's got to turn around. Kept moving their stop loss, and kept moving it. And, nah, man, the market will take everything you got, and then as soon as it breaks you, you see it then go your direction, and then that's the real killer. It's like when you see it just yeah, man. I've been through that. Those were interesting learning lessons. And she's just kind of consolidating right here. Hopefully we get a breakout here soon. We got about an hour left on the stream. Does TRADINGNUT have somebody coming on after? Oh man, she broke even on me. Wow, really? Oh, thanks. Look at that. And then she melts. Yeah, she broke even on me. Broke even. Wow. What did GJ do? Oh, she melted. Thank God we didn't get into that. Man, well, congrats if you took partials on this, because she just literally came and took me out, and she's gonna come down now. It's all good. All good, all good. I'll be on for New York, guys, with VIP, and we'll be on tomorrow for London session. Hopefully I don't have any internet issues. But if you guys go to my Instagram here, Lord Bankz FX, and I'll be picking out 2 people to join us in the VIP session for London. Just top 2 comments, whichever comments I choose. I'll be choosing them probably like 30 minutes before the session. So we'll be on at 8 a.m. So in about 5 hours. So if you want to go in there and have a chance to join us, it's a Zoom. I send out the Zoom link. I'll send you the Zoom link, and we can jump on and do the New York session. Otherwise, I'll be on tomorrow. Much love, guys. Much love. I appreciate you guys joining, sticking with me through all the technical difficulties. We hit a win here. Ended up breaking even on us because she came back up. So we're still up 0.5%, protecting that capital at all costs. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we have a better session, one that gives us those multiple TPs. But thanks for joining, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.